Here is how to create Instagram highlight without a name. So let's go for it. Open your Instagram, click on the profile. So if you click on new, you need to select any one of the highlight. Let me select this and next. And if you don't want to add a name, it will defaultly shows highlight. So I don't want that highlight also. I need a blank. So for that, close the Instagram app, go to Google or any of your websites or browsers, and here you can select blank character or blank text. See blank character and the first one or the second one. You can select any one of that, and I'll go for the second one. Here you can see clip to copy to clipboard. So click on copy to clipboard, that is copied, and go to Instagram. Here long press or otherwise you can have the paste option. So click on done. So likewise you can create highlights without a name. Thank you.